So here we are at the boot sale. Let's go and have a look. A load of jewellery here. Always on the look for some nice jewellery because obviously I haven't got enough. This nice pair of earrings. Some signs here, and one of them says back page. Yeah.
Castle Cottage, Faithful Friends, Cabbage Patch, Little Mill. One day.
Thank you.
What's Primrose Cottage to you then?
There's something black and fluffy there. It's a scarf or shawl. Excuse fingers, it's hard to hold the phone and look at stuff at the same time. I'm not sure if I want that because I've got loads of shawls, but look, it's nice, isn't it?
I would not know. We haven't got nothing like that.
Steampunk jigsaw there.
Somebody else picked it up and said that.
Some gothy looking boots here, look. How much are they?
$1.50.
Right. Some more black clothing here. Something black and net and sparkly there. Ooh, another black lace top. And a skirt. Wonder how much the top is. How much is this top?
£2.
Alright. Okay. Let's have a look.
No, I know.
More clothing. It's quite nice. Yeah. How much is that? Alright.
Stuff in there. Beautiful stuff. So I need to keep it.
A lot of them are packing up because it's just starting to rain a little bit. This lot of clothing here is 50p.
And I've just got to get the right paper napkins. They're everywhere for sale. You know, Poundland.
We weren't sure.
Everyone's been saying,
come or not.
yeah, everyone's been saying, oh, we didn't know whether you would be here. And
That's it. We got to.
Apparently someone was saying that because the weather's bad, there's not as many people here today. She said there's usually about 8 rows and there's only 3 here today. So maybe I need to come back on a day when the weather's a bit better. It's quite cold and rainy, but over there's a place I can see where you can get tea and coffee. So I'm going to go and have one. So that was the boot sale. Managed to get a nice top. So now we'll go and put my finds on the bike and cycle home.